Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I am doing a flip through of my Vintage Flowers Fussy Cut Mega Pack that is in my shop. There are 144 flowers in total. There's 18 printable pages. And I'm super happy with these. I kind of got a range of all of the colors and I gave them to you in a really large size, so these are super fun to work with. But then the second page is them in two smaller sizes, and as you can see, I have an off-white background with a nice border around it to make the fussy cutting easier, or for your silhouette cameo or your Cricut or whatever you might use to cut them out if you do that. So really pretty. So there's some blues and then the smaller size. Some orange. Don't see orange very often. Smaller sizes. Beautiful pinks. Oh, they're so pretty. Yeah. And purples. Reds. And all of these flowers, as you've probably noticed, are all ones that are easy to cut out. So there's not a lot of long, spindly sort of bits and pieces. So they're great for fussy cutting. And then some whites. And this is like a violet color. And then we have yellows. There we go. So super pretty. They are linked down below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.